Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Legends Daredevil action figure. Alright, first step is to apply Bosnia number 4 flat black as our primer. So recommended na gumamit ng primer para magkaroon tayo ng adhesive surface so that our paints will stick dun sa action figure. Minask ko na rin yung face ni Matt Murdock kasi ayaw natin malagyan ng black paint yung kanyang lower part of the face. And I also used alligator clips para ma-handle yung hands or arms pala. Yan. And also, pwede rin natin gamitin yung mga blue tacks para i-mask din yung mga joints para hindi masyadong kumapal and same lang yung range of motion. After we spray with Bosnia number 4 flat black, we are going to paint with gunmetal paint using Hero Paints gunmetal paint. And yung technique na ginagamit natin dito ay dry brushing technique. Sa dry brush technique, for dry brushing, konti lang yung paint na ilo-load natin doon sa brush and then ida-drag natin yung paint across the surface para magkaroon ng extra layer of weathering, highlights, and ma-emphasize yung surface details. Next, i-apply na natin yung first layer of camouflage using a darker shade of gray. Alright, after that, we are going to use Storm Gray. Ito yung Storm Gray, mas lighter shade ng gray. So, ang technique lang sa paggawa ng camouflage pattern is to do some cloud-like patterns na patong-patong. So, first layer, darker. Second layer, lighter shade. Tapos yung pinaka-top na layer, yun yung lightest na shade. Okay, and then yung last layer, ito na yung white. So, gumamit din ako ng mas it's an fairly old brush na yung bristles niya medyo hiwa-hiwalay na. Para siyang nag-act as a sponge. Para pag nilapat natin dun sa surface, mas maliliit yung speckles na nata-transfer dun sa surface. And then, here it is. Tapos na ating Daredevil na gray camouflage na version. So, this is the black, gray, and light gray na color combination ng ating camouflage pattern. Thank you very much, client Shy J, for this very, very cool opportunity na makapag-custom repaint ng